Hello students, let us new topic probability 15 chapter. In everyday life we come across statements such as it will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Most probably Kavita will stand first in the annual examination. Chances are high that the price of diesel will go up. There is a 50-50 chances of India winning a toss in today's match. The words probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. used in statement above involve an element of uncertainty. These words shows the probability. An event for an experiment is the collection of some outcomes of the experiment. Probability of an event, number of trials in which E has happened upon total number of trials. The probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. The words probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. used in the statement of above shows probability. Now we discuss example 1. A coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies: head 455, tail 545. Compute the probability for each event. A coin is tossed 1000 times. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 1000. Number of heads equal to 455. Number of tails equal to 545. Let E be the event getting a head. Now we find the probability of an event and tail. So we write let E be the event getting a head. Therefore number of favorable outcomes to E is 455. Now PE equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of all possible outcomes, that is 455 upon 1000 can be write 0.455. Now next part, let F be the event getting a tail. Number of favorable outcomes to F is 545. PF equal to 545 upon 1000 can be write 0.545. This is your required answer. Now next, second example. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we get two head is 105 times, one head 275 times, no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 500. Number of two heads equal to 105 times. Number of one head equal to 275 times. Number of no head equal to 120 times. Let E be the event getting two heads. Therefore number of favorable outcomes to E is 105. P equal to 105 upon 500. 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 500, 500. This is 21 upon 100. Can you write 0.21? 0.21. This is your required answer. Now next, let F be the event getting one head 275 times. So number of favorable outcomes to F is 275. PF equal to 275 upon 500. 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 500, 500 is equal to 55 upon 100, that is 0.55. This is your required answer. Again repeat, PF equal to 275 upon 500, 5 1 5, 500, 500, 5 5 25, 5 5 25, that is 55 upon 100, can be write 0.55. This is your required answer. Now next, let G be the event, no head. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to G is 120. Therefore, PG equal to 120 upon 500. 5 1 is 5, 500, 500, 5 2 is 10, 5 4 is 20. That is 24 upon 100. Can you write 0.24? Now next, third example. A die is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as given in the following table. Outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency 1 occurs 179 times, 2 occurs 150 times, 3 occurs 157 times, 4 occurs 149 times, 5 occurs 175 times, 6 occurs 190 times. Total times is 1000. Find the probability of getting each outcome. A die is thrown 1000 times, therefore total number of all possible outcomes equal to 1000. Let E1 be the event getting 1. Number of favorable outcomes to E1 is 179. Frequency of 1 is 179. Therefore, PE1 equal to 179 upon 1000, that is 0.179. Let E2 be the event getting 2. Here frequency of 2 is 150. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to E2 is 150. Therefore, PE2 equal to 150 upon 1000, 0 0 cancel. 15 upon 100 can be write 0.15 after 2 decimal place. Point take after 2 decimal place. Next, let E3 be the event getting the number 3. Frequency of 3 is 157. Number of favorable outcomes to E3 is 157. So PE3 equal to 157 upon 1000 can be write 0.157. This is your required answer. And do yourself other part of this question. Now we discuss fourth example. On one page of a telephone directory, there were 200 telephone numbers. The frequency of distribution of their unit place digit in the number, that is unit digit is 3. Without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on one of these numbers. The number is chosen at random. What is the probability that the digit in its unit place is 6? Here frequency of 6 is 14. Again repeat, frequency of 0 is 22, frequency of 1 is 26, frequency of 2 is 22, frequency of 3 is 22, frequency of 4 is 20, 5 occurs at unit places 10 times, 6 occurs at unit places 14 times, 7 occurs at unit places 28 times, frequency of 8 is 16, frequency of 9 is 20. We find the probability of the digit in unit place is 6. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 200. Let E be the event getting the digit in its unit place is 6. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to E is 14. P equal to 14 upon 200. 2 7 ja 14, 200, 2 ja 200. So we write 7 upon 100 equal to 0.07. Do exercise, try exercise 15.1 and do example 1 to 4 in your fair notebook. Thank you.